Sorry, guys. I guess this is also going to be in the video. So,
This looks
let's go back to
terrible.
video.
I'm not making a mashed potato.
Okay. Because I accidentally dropped my phone.
And it ended the video.
No, I turned my phone off on accident. Oh, wait. I forget. Because I'm making fries right now.
Yeah, because you copying me.
No, I'm not.
We can only...
All I'm doing to copy you is making fries. Otherwise, I'm just making steak
I'm
with
not
some
even
fries.
in the video again. Let me tilt the phone a little.
There we go. There we go.
Alright, guys. This is my tomato soup. As you can see, it's red like tomatoes. For some reason, he hates tomatoes, but he likes tomato soup.
It's true, guys.
That
And tomato sauce.
You mean tomatoes?
I like tomato sauce.
You don't?
No, I do.
I said you don't like tomatoes.
Oh, yeah, I do. I don't.
But he likes to make other things that are made with tomatoes. But
I like tomato soup only. And tomato soup sauce.
Alright, guys. I am done with my meal.
Oops. Anyways. EJ, here. Maybe we should stop a little bit down. Okay, that's good. But they don't really need to see yours because...
Guys, look how satisfying this is to fall. Move your French fries. I'm trying to make this fall satisfyingly.
EJ, stop. Pour it somewhere else. Like right here. Here. I'll hold your phone. My phone.
Alright, guys. Watch how... Look at how satisfying that is. It looks like taking a dump.
Hey, yo! That's weird. Here's what my finishing product looks like.
Yeah.
But the reason the meat looks like it's cut up is because I put wrinkles there. Is because okay.
Tomato soup, tomato soup, tomato, tomato soup. Now I just gotta eat my supper. If you don't know what that means, guys, it means dinner.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back.
Guys, if you wondered if I actually ate that, I didn't. Because it's bad for you and it might digest your stuff. Guys, eating this stuff might actually digest your stomach. I don't know. The red went in the blue area, not the red area.
Guys, I'm right here. My brother EJ taught me how to do this.
Actually, guys, watch how good I am at it.
I just wanted to come down because I
Alright, guys.
Dun, dun,
Dun, dun.
dun, 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 dun,
Alright, guys. Please don't turn the phone.
Okay,
Alright.
we're good. Phew.
Alright, guys. That's the end. Let me just eat my French fries.
Hey, bro. Oh, never mind.
Ah, those taste really good, guys.
The video's not ended though.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Oh, guys, make sure to check out my Slither.io and my Minecraft rapper videos.
You made a Minecraft rap?
And a Slither.io rap. And also, the Slither.io rap is actually called Slither rap, and there's Minecraft rap.
Oh. It's just called Slither rap? No.
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't feel like putting .io.
Oh. Sing it, I dare you.
Sing what?
The Slither.io song.
No, that took like 2 minutes, and the 2 minutes was actually pretty long when I made it. And also, I don't even.
What is it about?
I don't even remember what I said, guys.
Did the mommy let you post it?
Yeah.
Cool. I bet you're gonna get tons of views if you do it. If they see it. If anyone says it.
Guys, please watch those 2 videos.
I'm just making a big old mess now.
Oh, guys, they're both going to be made the same year because right before I started playing with the kinetic sand, I made both of those.
I think he made it today, but what was the Minecraft rap about? I mean, how long was the rap? The Minecraft rap?
Over 3 minutes.
What?
So I was singing longer than I was for the Slither rap. The Slither rap was like 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
I'm gonna look it up later on today. To look it up to see what you're talking about.
Zach, move your French fries. I want to show them something really satisfying. Alright, guys. So if I just spread it out like this.
Can you move that? Okay. I'm making another one of these.
I just tried to smack my kinetic sand and I snapped to the table. Now, guys, I'm going to be trying something today. He said that we have the stuff to do it.
What is it?
We need toothpaste that's white to do it. So, no, we don't have the stuff.
No, we only have the baking soda and but the only thing we don't have is the toothpaste.
Wait, I forgot if there was more stuff we needed.
To make what?
The slime.
Coke.
Guys,
It was Coke.
No, like other than Coke.
No. Maybe glue?
No.
Was it edible?
No.
You can't eat the slime?
No.
Oh. What if you did?
It would probably digest your stomach.
What does that mean?
It means it might melt right through your stomach.
That's only with ghosts.
Yeah, because ghosts are dead and everything goes right through them.
I don't know why I have this, but look. This is all I do with this thing. See this, guys? See this? That's all you do.
Oh, guys, also go check out LankyBox's YouTube channel.
No, he's not even. We don't even know who he is.
I know.
Well, we've never seen him.
In fact, I listen to his music.
I'm actually subscribed to him.
Me too.
But I think I subscribed. I don't remember.
Goo goo gaga.
Turn into a baby.
Now I'm with my friends and together
We go crazy.
Hopped into a time machine and now we have fun. Jack, Jack.
Baby Jack Jack.
No, it's just Jack, Jack.
Oh.
Guys, I've got to watch the video again. I forgot the other one.
Goo goo gaga. Turn into a baby.
Now I'm with my friends and together
We go crazy.
Hopped into a time machine and now we have fun. Jack, Jack, baby shark. I'm just thinking of another baby.
Oh.
Adam, when he doesn't get his milk, go wild. Guys,
Who's Adam? Oh yeah, Adam.
I don't know why I said that Adam's a baby when he doesn't get his milk. Because if he don't get his 2% milk, he be crying. And if Justin don't get his donut, he go crazy. Wait, Mommy, are you going to the gym too?
No, honey, I'm just going to take that.
Oh.
Bye, Mommy.
Yes. This is a long
Yeah,
day.
we've been doing it for like
9 minutes.
9 minutes. But for you guys, it would be down here. Right there, I think. We're making a video.
I know. Make your video.
But
Itty bitty try. Guys, I'm about to make a yellow hot dog.
my yellow hot dog.
You might know what I'm gonna do.
Stop.
Zach.
Stop. Stop. Stop it. weirdo. You just fell over.
I was going there.
Dang, dang, dang. No freaking way.
I know how to get this out. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I don't even know what this mushroom thing is for.
Oh, that's mine. Remember, it goes to this. Oh, where is it? Right here. Goes to that. See? Watch. I'll even show you.
I'm gonna show the viewers what it does.
Okay. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah.
Bada bada bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah bo ba beep bo bada bada boom bang.
Bing bang. What's that video even called?
I don't even know. I just learned it.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah.
Guys, I think I may have got too much water in my spoon.
Here you go. Show them what they do.
Alright, guys. So let me make a pile with my kinetic sand. So this is basic.
The destroyer.
No, not.
The the mushroom destroyer.
Alright, guys. So this is a multi-tube because basically you can make things flat like this, but with the mushroom, you can grab it, and so if I just make a pile right here and put it in my hand, it digests it away from it.
You watch. See this?
Guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah.
I won't leave you lonely, eh? I'm a man.
You mean baloney, eh?
Baloney, eh? Chicken and macaroni, eh?
Hey.
Chicken with my home.
Oh.
Hello, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
To my channel. Okay.
My channel, definitely mine.
I want to show you something I can do.
Guys, I said to subscribe to mine. Is
Okay,
I
move.
hate him.
Shut up. I'm telling mommy that. Guys, watch this.
You've already sewed them.
Nope,
yet.
they don't see it.
Hey, blur that out. Blur that out. Blur that out.
Stop it.
Guys, you need
Here.
to blur that out next time you see that. Guys, we'll try to figure out how to edit so we can blur things out
Oh.
or do things. Guys, I be eating TNT candy.
Mommy.
Guys, I be eating TNT candy. TNT.
You don't mess with me.
Alright, stop it. Twix, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Guys, look at this gun I got from Nerf. Nerf sent me this.
No, they didn't. Stop it, Zach.
Move it. Can I have a piece?
No.
Get it.
No, you ate all of yours.
I'll be right back. I'm looking in my drawer. I wish this worked. Could work. Because I have this tripod thing, guys. See this?
But it broke.
I have to stick it in it. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. EJ.
Guys, you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, I ain't doing this video no more.
No, you're not.
I also quit my channel.
Why'd you quit your channel?
I'm kidding, guys. I'm never gonna quit my channel. Not until I get at least 3 diamond play buttons.
3 diamond play buttons.
Yep.
That's sure you're allowed
That's
to get that
30 million subscribers or more. I might even wait till
30,000 subscribers, actually.
No, 40 million.
This is actually...
You have to get
Doesn't
10
work.
million just to get one diamond play button.
I bought this. Wait, no, I got it for Christmas.
Yeah.
I got... Ow!
Yoink.
I'll be right back, guys.
Guys, I'm about to grab all of my poppets. I know I said I'm out of the video, but I want to show you all of my poppets. Actually, I'd rather just make a video on my own phone. I hope you don't see this. Oh my head, guys! Just bite.
EJ?
What's he
You know where
doing?
the scissors are, EJ?
What's he doing? What's he doing? Don't stare at me like that. What's he doing, huh? What doing? Now I ain't in that video. Last time I tried to make a puppet video, I only knew how to make shorts. And now that's an end. Oh guys, what I really want to show you is this one. I wish I had a doll, but I have the Huggy Wuggy puppet. Oh no. Huggy Wuggy. Guys, he's trying to devour me. Help me. Guys, I won't be able to make a bad Huggy. Alright. Guys, I just went crazy. I hope I'm not going crazy. I hope I'm not going crazy. I've got too many poppets. I got my whoopee ducky.
I got a stretch ball, guys.
Did you cut the strings off of that really? Bro, really?
Guys, I got a squishy ball.
For something you got for Christmas, and then you're just gonna cut it?
Yeah.
That makes extremely 0 sense.
EJ, I didn't get it for Christmas. I bought it like 2 years ago.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I've had it almost forever.
Emo.
Guys, I did not break this. I cut it because I've had it for so long.
You got it last Christmas. Don't act like I'm not going crazy, because I'm not going crazy.
Sorry, guys. I did not mean to do that.
Must.
That was our sister. Wait, no, it wasn't.
What do you mean we don't have a sister?
I know. That's why I said, wait, never mind.
I've still got another puppet hidden on my bed somewhere.
I have this one. Here, put all the puppets right here.
Hey guys, take a tissue. You may need to sneeze.
Ooh, There's an explosion going on here.
What do you mean?
That was a big old explosion.
Alright guys, I've got all. Wait a minute. I've lost. Oh, alright guys. Now guys, wait.
Oh, wait, we can't post it now
Why?
because Mommy's gonna see it. What we did, I
Well,
think.
Michael said we can post it, so
Whatever.
it's fine. Hey, I found a hidden puppet that was on my bed. Guys, I gotta find another puppet. Now, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Hold
It's
on.
been 21 minutes.
Guys, also, you know these itty bitty square puppets with only 9 bubbles? Well, he lost 2 of them.
Where are they?
My square puppets.
No, I didn't.
Well, one of them you did it because you tossed it across the entire house.
One's in the backyard. Well,
No,
not
it's
the backyard,
not.
but in the car. In the back trunk of our car.
Hey, the viewers want to see you. Do you want to be on YouTube next? Do you? Alright, come on.
EJ, show the guys, our viewers, Kit Kat. That's my brother's Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Mine is fluffy.
He's fluffy and fat at the same time.
Basics.
Mine is skinny and not that fluffy. So we're brothers though, because they were born by the same cat. We also got these from one of my mom's friends. It's fun. They have like 5 more. Yeah, they had like 7 cats when we came over. Our mom thought there was one boy and
What, EJ?
just don't talk about it.
Okay.
But guys, I've got to get my poppets started. Because I've got to sew poppets. I've got to start.
Oh,
I got a
yeah.
Okay. Guys, me and my brother both. Guys, me and my brother both don't you see I'm trying to talk?
I'm sorry.
Me and my brother both have one of these controller puppets.
Mine's right here.
When we're watching TV, we would pretend to play games like.
And then if we lose the game, I'll lose.
Or we might go like this. Now that's what Dusty be like when he don't have his donuts.
Or and Adam be like when he doesn't have his milk, he be do that.
Now, if Adam don't have his milk, he's like,
Goodbye.